STSS stock analysis and STSS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this from in the video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Sharp's technology stock, and this is 7.4% down. So where the heck am I looking to take this thing next? But to be very frank and honest, doesn't look the best. I mean, having done well over 39,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And invest at 5 figures in courses and mentors, generally speaking, unless the price starts shifting above 18 cents or really anything else differently, then I might, you know, buy or whatnot. But here, like I said, I'm looking to take things down. Maybe if the rules are met, a sell might be a case. But in this case, never really got that confirmation. But bias wise, it's still going to be the same. I'm still quite bearish. You can see like I've done so many. Let me just come here. I've just had like so many receipts previously in the Discord there. So if you want to make more money and want to stay tuned about STSS, a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.